Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now, click that subscribe button and the bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, you guys. And happy Makeup Monday. I hope you guys are ready for this smoky golden cat eye winged look.
To my channel, make sure you guys go right now, give your girl a thumbs up, click that subscribe button at the bottom and that bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. So for today's video, you guys, I am going to be doing a smoky golden cut crease cat eye look for you guys. I absolutely love this look and I have been wanting to achieve this look for the longest time. So today, you guys, you are going to get it. So let's get into this video.
I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really want to see is that.
Before anything, I've already did my brows, as you guys already know. I do that in every video. I've also primed my eyes with this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So this is really good, you guys. This is for if you need to prime your eyes. Your makeup will sit better. It will look better. I'm going to take my Y20 brush. You guys, this is more of a thicker end brush here. I'm going to be using my Morphe palette, you guys. This palette is a 15D. This is the Day Slayer palette. I'm honestly just going to be going across from this orange here and that orange there, just to go inside the crease. And then we're going to go in to make our winged cat eye first. And I'm going to tell you guys the reason why I'm doing that first. And then we'll finish up the makeup look. Now we're going with the color Epic. I'm going to use a little bit of Sweet, and then we're going to go in with Just Eyes, just to kind of get some nice little bronziness, because we are making a smoky eye, but I wanted to have a little bit of a shimmer to it, so it's kind of like glistening. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my Kat Von B eyeliner. This is a tattoo eyeliner, you guys. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. I mean, it's so amazing. It gives you a nice pointed look. You guys are going to see this one in here in just a second. You guys, I'm going to be doing my winged cat eye first before I cut my crease, because I want a nice, cut. You know, I thought that sometimes when you cut the crease, you don't get that definition of a cut. So if I want a nice cut for the look that I'm doing on this eye, if I want it to match this and to mirror that, I have to do my winged eye first to give me a nice cut. So yeah, you guys, we're going to do the winged eye first, then we're going to cut our crease, add our glitter, and then we're going to move on to foundation. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. And I'm going to take a small ended brush and to help cut the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Time Stacking Hill Bringing Alarm palette. I am going to be using the color on camera. This is a pretty gold. Okay, I'm going to take my, what is this? Setting spray, you guys. I'm going to use more of a straight fluffy brush, and I'm going to spray my brush, you guys. I got to get it together. Just to kind of give my eye a more pigmented color when I do apply the gold to my eye, because again, we want our eyes to pop. We don't want the colors to be too subtle, and seeing that the Morphe palettes aren't as pigmented, we have to make it pigmented for our own selves. Next, I'm going to take this gold glitter, you guys. This has a nice pointed end, and I used it in a lot of my tutorials, you guys. I absolutely love this. I need to really find some different colors, but you guys, I started here right here in the middle, and I'm just doing a nice like winged at the top, so that way everything is mirroring, is matching this winged eye. So next I'm going to take this palette. This palette is actually from Victoria's Secret. It is a highlighter slash bronzer. I would say highlighter because it's more shimmery tones. And it's called... Okay guys, so look, these colors are so fabulous. I am absolutely loving it. So the colors that we have here are white gold, sparkling champagne, and then we have honey light. So I'm actually going to go with the sparkling champagne, and I'm just going to add a little bit of that at the top of my eye. And that's where I had applied my concealer, you guys. And the reason why I added my concealer up there first is because sometimes when you're doing makeup and you want to have a certain look, sometimes you can end up all the way on the whole entire eye, and I didn't want to do that for this look. I specifically wanted to focus on the cutting of the crease and giving me a nice smoky color for this look. And you guys, this shimmer is super cute. I'm honestly going to leave it as is. I'm not going to add any gold like I normally do. I just want a totally fresh new look, you guys. Something totally different for you. Okay guys, let's finish up this makeup look. We're going to go in with my Camo Concealer by e.l.f. And I'm just going to just cover these little spots that I have on my face that's left over. Next, I'm going to go in with my True Complexion Contour Palette. I am going to slim down my nose. Although my nose is relatively slim, I just like to do this feature because I think it's super fun and it's just part of the makeup process. So my last touch, I'm actually going to apply my lipstick. I'm going to do a bright red lipstick. This lipstick is called Outlaw, and it's actually by, what's the brand? Kat Von D, I believe that's what it is. Kat Von D. But it's Outlaw, you guys. It's like a little sample trial. I didn't feel like going to grab my other lipstick, so. Alright you guys, so that concludes this Makeup Mondays video tutorial. If you guys are loving this look, make sure you are staying tuned each and every Monday for Makeup Monday. And if you have any suggestions for any makeup styles, drop it down below in the comments and I will make sure to get back to you and get those videos done. So thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.